Speech buddies are a set of tools specially designed to help people overcome articulation disorders. Speech buddies use targets to help patients improve their tongue placement and coordination. If you have the L or the CH devices, you will be positioning the bend on the back of the top front teeth. It is important for your speech buddy target to be flush against the back of the teeth. We suggest placing the tip of the speech buddy in the mouth, then pulling back along the top teeth with just enough force to hold it in place. You can adjust the position of the node by angling the handle if necessary. There are great resources at www.speechbuddy.com, where you can find exercises, games, and other services that will help you use our product.